expect you to pick a career. Can't really function, you suffer fear. Working class hero is something to be. Working class hero is something to be.
Keep you doped with religion and sex and TV.
Keep you doped with religion, sex and TV. And you think you're so clever, classless and free. But you're all for peasants, as far as I see. Working class hero is something to be. Working class hero is something to be. There's room at the top, it's telling me. It's the truth keeps us alive.